G'day Chameleonites! Today we're looking at how to begin editing your new project. Here we are in the All Projects page of Chameleon. Here you can search for a specific project using a search term, or you can click on My Projects to search within projects that you've created, or you can review projects created by other groups. Let's look at My Projects. We'll select this demo I made earlier. Here we can see the header or administration page for the project. You can see the title and description, and also the slug reference and any tags that you added earlier. To edit the project, click on Edit Project at the top of the page. Here we can see an empty project shell. To the left is an empty chapter ready for you to start work. At the bottom left we have three icons. The magnifying glass provides you with a preview of what your audience will see when they're viewing the module. It also allows you to collaborate with reviewers and stakeholders who don't have access to the Chameleon platform. By clicking on the down arrow, we can set the download and SCORM settings. We can also set a pass mark or a completion point for learners. And by clicking on the course theme, we can set the look and feel of the module, including colours and fonts. To begin adding content to our module, we can either click here in the middle of the page, or we can click the down arrow on topic 1 to begin adding pages. Click the down arrow to open the topic up. Let's start by renaming the topic to something a bit more meaningful. Now, we click the plus icon to begin adding content. This shows an array of content that we can add. There's a media page that will display text and media being images or video. This might be a welcome page or an introduction. It could also be useful if you want to make an impact with an image with a statement underneath. Or we can select a full page of text. There are also a range of activities such as multiple choice questions or flip cards for showing quick comparisons or before and after, or sortation activities for when the learner needs to identify a concept that requires sequencing such as process steps. There are also matching activities, hotspot activities and click and reveal activities. We might also use a carousel to tell a story, or an accordion where we want to give the bigger picture before focusing on detail when showing a group of information that is related and presented at the same time, such as steps in a process or policies that relate to each other. Finally, we have a results page where we have accessible questions throughout, and a rating page where we ask the learner to rate something, such as the module itself. We'll explore all of these individually at a later date, but one last thing before we finish. Once you have finished adding content to topic 1, you can start a new topic by clicking the plus icon, which creates a new empty topic for you to rename and start populating. And that, my friends, is how to begin editing your new project.